Today it's an unboxing from Emergency Essentials, and you can see over there it says 1 of 9 boxes. I got the other 8 boxes were the hard white wheat that I had ordered. And again, what I like about that is that my bucket was in a box, and the UPS man even said, "What is all this?" And I just said, "Ugh, you'd have to ask my husband." And if he asks again, I will probably say, "Oh, it's just dog food." Alright, I ripped the tape off for ease of opening, and let's see, what did I get? Oh, I remember. I got the peanut butter powder. I got 4 cans of this. The Emergency Essentials peanut powder isn't actually peanut butter powder like the Augustin Farms is. I looked at the Augustin Farms brand, and I might get some of that, I'm not sure, but it has added sugars, and I like that the ingredients in this is just peanuts. That's it, just nothing else. So let me focus in on here a little better. So there's 5 grams of carbs. Total sugars is only 1, and it's 0 added sugar. So the sugar in here is just all natural sugar, and you've got 2 grams of fat and 7 grams of protein. So I'm guessing you could probably go ahead and make your, it says to mix it with water. So I feel like if you mix this with water, you can get the, the all-natural peanut butters that are just peanuts and have nothing added. And so this was more than, I would say, 30% more than the Augustin Farms peanut butter powder, which is $12.38 on Amazon and Walmart.com, and this peanut powder was $16. But to me, it's not the same product, so it's definitely worth it. Just like when you're in the store and comparing your peanut butters, the healthier peanut butters are generally more. So yeah, that's it. We got 4 of these to add to the storage today, and we got them from Emergency Essentials, which is BePrepared.com.